Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. Bixby is a voice assistant that allows you to perform different tasks and commands using your voice. So, if you want to set it up, press and hold the lock key. Tap the arrow. Tap the arrow again. Tap I have read and agree to all of the above. Tap the arrow. Tap the check mark. Now the Bixby is set up. To use it, say "Hi Bixby" or press and hold the lock key. And then say your command. For example, "What's the weather today?" And your command will be carried out. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.